Good morning. This is day 3 of Iceland. We are 1 hour behind schedule because we all woke up a bit late and we're all taking our time. But it's a bit cloudy today, just like the past 2 days, but eventually it gets bright out. Eventually. Trust the process. Correct or not, Enza?
Correct.
Trust the process. And we're just getting ready to check out, basically. We are at Gullfoss waterfall, but the weather is so shit. Please clear up. There's the waterfall in the background. The wind is way too strong. So this is the waterfall. I think this is the more famous one. It's Gullfoss. I stood right at the edge and I'm like fully drenched now. I think Dilman and Enza are still there. They're still trying to take photos, but it's so wet. So we are at the plane wreck, the fake plane wreck. But at least we don't have to pay 20 pounds for the shuttle, for the original one. This one, we can just walk right up to it, and there's nobody else here. But it's super duper windy. Is the inside. driving for 2 hours. We've arrived at Gullfoss waterfall. Morning! So we're walking to the waterfall. Everything is frozen. 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 Now we're going to another viewpoint. Back to the car because I can't feel my face. Wind was so strong. I can't even feel my lips anymore. I'm like slurring all my words. I can't feel anything, it's so cold. And right to the car, everyone is still walking back. I'm supposed to go to this geothermal site after this, and then a national park. But the sun is setting, but hopefully we have time to do everything we want to do today. Possibly our last stop of the day, the Stroker Geyser. You can already smell the smell of rotten eggs. Geyser main entrance. Attenzione, pickpocket. Sedapnya bau. Geyser? Small geyser. We just missed an explosion. Hopefully it comes back. Oh, atas pun ada juga. Wow.
Sini nampak silhouette je lah. So kau tak payah pun.
Muka tak payah pun.
Okey tu.
Oh, it's nice.
Cuma memang muka tak nampak lah, silhouette je lah. Tak ada, kalau ada power, saya syukur lah. Dia tak power. Dia tak power. I mean, dia power lah, dia fans lah.
It is 11 p.m. and we are going out to Thingvellir National Park with the hopes of catching the aurora. You can somewhat see it just a bit out our window, but I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, I can see it with my eyes. Over there is the Asgard looking church. So that's our plan for either tonight or tomorrow morning. This is where we are. We've stopped at 10-11, which is I think Iceland's version of 7-Eleven, just to find some snacks to get us through the night. So maybe we take, I don't know. What do you have in mind, Ai? What do you have in mind? Doritos?
Chips.
Wait, yeah.
Crisp.
While watching the aurora.
Eh, ni 24/7.
Yalah, ni lah 10-11.
Yeah, but 10-11 I thought it's open at 10.
Oh. I think macam 7-Eleven kot. This is, yeah, 7-Eleven.
Energy drink.
Wait. Yeah. Maybe, yeah. Yeah. I think cukup kan, 2.
Ni sour.
Ni flavor apa? Ni cheese eh?
Cheddar cheese. Cheese. Itu Doritos.
Yeah, maybe sour cream je ha. Tulis. Cukup lah.
Cukup.
So this is it. This is the aurora. Wow. Man, oh man.
So far. Yusuf, how do you set your flash?
Eh? Wow. It's like a snail.
Nampak ke tu? Ui, nampak.
Ui, yeah.
Majestic.
So right now we are on the way to Oxararfoss waterfall. You can see the aurora behind me, and hopefully we can take photos of the waterfall and the aurora. I think that would be really nice. But we moved spots because the aurora came out. I mean it finished basically, but now it's back. Hey, you can see the Enza on my camera?
The aurora
Ah,
behind you.
yeah, behind me.
Oh yeah, dah style dah.
Yes. So this is the waterfall. This is all ice. It is pretty crazy. Aurora is still that side. Not yet above the waterfall. So we're walking back now. Isn't that the aurora? No way. No, it's just clouds. We're walking back now. We got many photos, but the clouds are starting to cover up the aurora. So we're going back to the Airbnb. We're gonna hit the road again. We're back at our Airbnb, and this is the end of day 3 and our last day in Iceland. Tomorrow we're flying back. No aurora tonight. I mean now.